Hello, guys. This is Mrs.Z. It's a grade 5 mission 1 lesson 6. It's a word problem. So let's see what they ask us to do. All right. Miss Mayer measured the edge of her dining table to the hundredth of the meters. So hundredths of the meters are centimeters. So when you think about this, you know then will be the hundreds of the meters. So the edge of the table measure 32 whole meters and then 15 centimeters. So 32 and 15 hundredths. Um, the edge of the write her measurement in a word form, in a unit form, in expanded form, using fractions and decimals. Okay, so let's see what they want. The word form. So the number is, she measured 32 whole meters and 15 hundredths. So if I write this as the language, I would say that is um, 30, 32, 32 ones, and is the decimal that represents this. So and 15, 15. So that's a 15. It has a 2 place values. You see 1, 2. So that's after the decimal. When you have 2 digits, you have hundreds. 100, but because it's a decimal, so it's a hundredth. Hundredths. Okay, and don't forget to put DHS. So now 32 and 1500. 32 and 1500. And that is word form. Okay, word form. Okay, next. We need to do unit form. And unit form is using language, and then you can say that I have here 3/10, 10 with S, because 10, this is a whole number, so it's only S, not THS. So 3/10, I have 2 ones, 1 and S, once, and we have a 1/10. Now we see how it's different tenths and tenths. So this is actually 1/10, so we don't need this S. If I have more than 1/10, then I will have 2/10ths with S. So tenth, 1/10, and 5 hundredths. 100 with THS is hundredths. So this is unit form. Okay, expanded form using fractions and decimals. So expanded form would be if we show what is the value of each place value. So this is, we can see this as like 30 plus 2 plus 0.1 plus 0.05. Okay, that's one way to see expanded form. Expanded form. But now we're going to use this expanded form, but it will be as a fraction and then as a decimal. So let's do fractions. So it's 3 times 10 plus 2 times 1 plus, I'm going to open parenthesis, 1 times 1/10 plus 5 times 100. So you can see that in this is 5/100, 5 out 5 out of 100 pieces, and this is just 1 out of 10 pieces. So that is fraction form. If I see this as okay. So this is called expanding for fraction form. Now let's do the decimal. If I see this 3 times, it could be also decimal like 30.0 or 3 times 10 plus 2 times 1 plus 1 times 0.1 plus 0 and 1/10 and 5 times 0.01, which is 100. So this means 1 times 1/10 as a decimal, 5 times 100 as a decimal. So this is decimal form. Okay, so here is all what is needed for lesson 6 word problem and grade 5 mission 1, and it was Mrs.Z. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for listening.